Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them.
If you think like the poor, you stay poor. Money follows skills, not effort alone. You don't need money to start. You need action. Rich people know how to sell. Poor people are afraid to try.
It's not what you earn, it's what you keep.
Assets put money in your pocket, even when you sleep.
Debt can trap you or free you. Choose wisely.
Small steps every day build big success.
The moment you stop learning, you stop growing.